Today we're talking about a couple walks that are all heart, and I'm hanging out here at F&S Building Innovations with Alicia Smith talking about this event. And this event really is all about the heart and taking care of people in our area, isn't it?
It is. F&S has specialized in healthcare renovations for a lot of years, so it's kind of near and dear to our heart that we can give back to an organization that is supporting the hospitals and the doctor's offices that we work with. It's also kind of personal to us. My grandmother lived to be 100 years old.
Wow.
And in her lifetime, she had multiple strokes. She had several heart attacks. So we know that the research, development, and the things that the American Heart Association is doing directly affected our family and our lives, and is affecting all those in our community.
And you will be out at one of these walks helping to support all of this. Tell me about that.
We are. We're actually a major sponsor for two of the local Heart Walks, the NRV Heart Walk and also the Roanoke Heart Walk. They're both going to take place in October, and we are doing Have a Ball at the Heart Walk, so we are collecting sports equipment over the next month that can then be donated to local school systems or nonprofits just to encourage these kids to get out and do something. It's just going to be an opportunity to bless some kids in our area.
And are there any particular types of equipment that you're looking for, for people to donate?
Anything new, basketballs, volleyballs, baseballs, just new sports equipment, they can bring it here at our office. We would love for them to be able to help in that way.
That sounds wonderful. And let's talk about logistics of the walks themselves. There are two different events. Let's talk about the first one on October 7th.
Alrighty, that's our New River Valley Heart Walk, and we're so excited to be in the New River Valley. We'll have our Roanoke Heart Walk as well. It's the 25th anniversary for both of those walks, and we'll start off at 2 o'clock in New River, and we'll be at the Virginia Tech Corporate Research Center in Blacksburg, and folks can do a 5K, they can walk. We'll have a complimentary picnic lunch afterwards. Before the walk, we'll have a red cap survivor ceremony, and we'll have red capes for children who are survivors as well, and we'll have our lifestyle change awards for folks who've had some type of meaningful lifestyle change during the year, and it's very inspirational to hear everybody's stories. We'll have our Red Heart Balloon Arch for folks to get their team photos taken underneath. We'll have Heartman, our mascot, will be out there. And of course, bring a ball to the walk so people will have the opportunity as well. We'll have a collection station for the F&S balls at the New River Valley Heart Walk.
And I understand there's an educational aspect to this as well as some CPR training.
Absolutely. The Heart Walk is our mission in motion. And we're not just raising dollars, we're raising heartbeats as well. We certainly do invite folks to, be a part with our life-saving mission by, raising dollars. But our hope is for people to get out and to develop a heart health habit if they're not already a walker. So,
Very good point. And then there's another walk as well. Tell us about that one.
Absolutely. We'll have the Roanoke Heart Walk, and it's October 20, and it'll be at 10 a.m. at River's Edge Park in Roanoke, and again, we'll have a walking component. People can run the course as well. We'll have the opportunity for people to bring a ball to the walk, and we'll have a collection station, the Red Cap Survivor Ceremony. We'll also have Lifestyle Change Awards, complimentary picnic lunch, so many of the same activities at both events. And if people would like to go on the website, we may have some special surprises at each event to celebrate the 25th anniversary. So some special things for each event, but it'll be a wonderful time. People really enjoy coming out. So.
And I'm going to blow one of the surprises because if you have a pup, bring it out to one of these events, right? Because there's going to be a parade.
That's right. That's right. And we'll go on the website and you'll be able to see what specific activities we'll have for each walk. At the Roanoke Walk, we will have a Doggie Parade.
That's hilarious.
And it'll be a lot of fun. So you can dress up your pet and bring your pet. And we'll also have the opportunity, if people want to take home a pet, we'll have some special pets on parade that will say, "Adopt me." They're from the shelter, and people will have the opportunity to bring home a pet from the Heart Walk.
That's wonderful. And the American Heart Association, those monies, where do they go?
The dollars that are raised from the Heart Walks in southwestern Virginia will be invested in life-saving research in our footprint. And we have invested over $1 million just this last year in life-saving research grants. We'll also have preventative education that we'll be providing in the community. We have CPR training as well. So we do a lot in the hospital in terms of quality of care. I get with the guidelines where we have a clinical team member who is working alongside the Heart Association in our hospitals. So we have Mended Hearts patient visitation. So a lot is coming back and being reinvested in the community in terms of life-saving research and community education programs.
And Alicia, folks can actually join your team, can't they?
They can. F&S Building Innovations has a heart and soul team, so we would love for you to contribute. Even if you can't come to the Heart Walk, donate to our team because it's still supporting the American Heart Association.
If you want to be part of either of the walks, one is happening Sunday, October 7th. That is happening at Virginia Tech Corporate Research Center in Blacksburg. For more information about that, 540-989-2810. Also, another walk is going on Saturday, October 20th at River's Edge Park South in Roanoke. Again, 540-989-2810, or also online at heartwalk.org. And you can also donate that sports equipment to F&S Building Innovations location on Orange Avenue in Roanoke. For more information, 540-985-9160 or online at fs4seasons.com.